Alright, hello. I am Chambai and we will learn about Godot Nodes. So what is a node? A node is basically an instance of a class. Alright, so then what is a script? We can attach script to nodes and a node will, or a script will extend a class like the node 2D. And if we click on the node 2D, then we will see here in the right the properties of that class that we can see. And as you can see, there are a bunch of things written here like node2d, which is, our node. But then what is canvas item? Canvas item is a class that node2d extends. So it's a parent class. Alright, what is node? It's the parent class of the canvas item. And as you see, like they have all their relevant properties. And the fun thing is that we can do class name, I don't know, test thingy. We do this. And then we will make an export var test1, yeah. So we can make a property. We see that, oh wow, the testing is the thing written here. Why? Because it's the name of this class. Yeah, class and it extends the node 2D, and this is our class. And we have like a custom variable that we put in there that we can modify outside of it. And you see that inside it won't be modified because inside that's like the default value. And we modified the value here in the editor, like how we can modify like these values, like you see that like I modify the position and the position of it is changes and also the child node under it. Its position also changes with it because like that's how inheritance work. Kinda. Yeah. Anyway, so how do you wanna use nodes in code? Like let's say we have this here, like this sprite, and we wanna refer to it. So we can do like onReady var sprite egyenlő sprite2d. Like this way we actually refer to the sprite. We can, like I can show you that actually we can modify it. Let's say that we upgrade its rotation degrees and I will make this a tool. Tool is a thing that will basically execute the code inside the editor. Well, it should, but it ain't doing it. So that's fucking disappointing. Oh, it works in... well, it works in the when we fucking execute it. So let's just forget that part. That didn't happen. Yeah. Anyway, so as you can see, this works. But this is what like every tutorial will teach you. But this is fucking bad. Why is it bad? Because let's say that I want to actually change the name of this. All right, I changed the name of it. Yeah, it failed. Now we try to execute it and it doesn't work because we are referring it by name. And like also if we have like other nodes, like let's say another sprite 2D, and like I make it like a child of something else, then we when we wanna refer to it, like you have to refer to it by path, and if you change the path of it, then again like you fucking run it and it fails. Okay, so then what should you do? You should do export sprite and do this like little double point thingy, and with this we can set a type. What is a type? We can basically like write like any like class here, like or any like not just class but like property like float, like the the type can be float or something. Anyway, right now let's make the type oh yeah, also I fucked up. Sprite export var sprite, and yeah, we make it a float. Yeah, and obviously we can't upgrade the yeah. And now you see that, oh wow, this is like a float. Yeah. Anyway, we wanna make the type as sprite 2D, and this way we can assign a sprite to it. As you can see, we can change it, or like we can choose one, and even if we have like other nodes here, like let's put like this here and like this here. Like, alright, I wanna change it. We can still only choose the two sprites because it's not stupid and knows that, oh yeah, we wanna set a sprite here. Yeah, so I will get rid of these two. Okay, so yes, we have our sprite, and now again it will like properly rotate, and no, it ain't doing it. Why not? Because I renamed it, and actually the one that we are upgrading isn't the one that we should upgrade. Alright, yeah. So now it will work, yeah, you see. And even if like I put something else in here, like I put just a node and I put this here side as the child node, it still works because it knows that, oh yeah, we choose the sprite, today we choose this node, and no matter like we are rename it to like fire, and you see that, oh wow, fire, it still knows that this is the thing that we wanna rotate. So yeah, if you wanna use nodes, like if you are in a scene and like I don't know, you have like a tile map, or actually we aren't supposed to use tile maps anymore. We are supposed to use tile map layers because it has to be like fucking confusing. So anyway, we have the tile map layer, and you wanna do things with this tile map layer. Like let's make a tile set. Yeah. Anyway, let's actually not make one. I don't wanna fuck around with. Anyway, you wanna like I don't know, like export var map tile map layer. Yeah. So this way we can like choose it. Yeah, we have our tile map layer. And let's say here we wanna like do things with the tile map. And here you see that like a bunch of shit here is popping up. What's up with this? These are like the basically the things that you can do with the actual node. Like these are the functions that it has, and like the variables, like I don't know, like global rotation, global position, global rotation degrees. Those are like variables. Like look at that's a function. You see that, oh yeah, here it has like this little F letter and like that two like weird shit. Like that means that it's a function. This dot p means that, oh yeah, that's a variable. Yeah, so you can choose this, and this is very good because you don't have to like look it up and remember. I know that like as a beginner, like you won't really know a lot of these, but in programming, like when you learn like certain concepts, you can kinda reuse them. Like basically because of this whole inheritance thing. Like, oh yeah, we have node 2D, and basically every node like inherits from node 2D, and uh, like every 2D node also inherits from the canvas item. So if you learn once that like to use anything from these, like you can use them from with like any other node that inherits from these classes. So it's like you will get the hang of it. That's my point. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, this was the lecture.